That was pretty. I think she liked your song. I think she was trying to give you kisses. She's like, let me out. I think you should sing some more. She liked your songs. Hey, do you know Mary had a little lamb?
Yeah.
Sing that one. Sing it. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Oh my goodness, look at that cat. That is a pretty cat. Fat cat.
I love that one.
Never seen one colored like that. That's a pretty cat.
Cat.
Oh, your lamb is following you.
Cat. Cat. Cat.
Did that lamb just kiss you, or sheep?
Yeah.
He just kissed you.
Cat. This is she in a ring.
He is. That was sweet. Oh, where's the cat going? That cat's eating a lot of mice.
Nice.
A lot of mice.
Look.
What is he doing?
This is spot on it. See, no, ma'am. No, ma'am, see? Can't do that.
Why can't she do that?
Hi, Chief.
Sing a song to her.
Black sheep.
Ba ba black sheep. That's pretty good.
Black sheep, hiding in the wool. Let's Where's that baby sheep going?
I don't think they like that cat messing around with them. They're trying to shoo it out of there. Oh, look at the cat, Skates. Did you see that?
It's cold.
It is a pretty cat.
Come here, cat.
No, let's not play with that cat. Oop.